How's it going, everybody? Got my cup of coffee that I'm probably going to spill all over with every bump because I got to drink out of a mug. But in the grain truck, heading up to the field. This is going to be a multi-day video. I filmed some from the other day, so I'm going to put that in this video. We're going to go up and finish a field up in the hill ground. We started it the other day. Not bad, no spill. Started it the other day. My cousin Steven, who goes to Cobleskill, he usually comes out every year, and he usually runs grain cart for us. There's a few videos of him doing that. My cousin Jim, his twin brother, comes out. He's run camera before, but I decided this year I was going to put him in this truck and I was going to break out Old Red. So we had both trucks going with the grain cart, so that was good. This might be the last year we get Steven to run grain cart, because he did an internship this summer with Krone, and I think he's accepted a position with Krone. So he's going, he'll be working on big balers and all sorts of cool things like that. So I think he's going to be going to, he's going to be going out west somewhere and working for Krone. So props to you, buddy. That's a pretty awesome job. He says he hopes to find his way back to the East Coast here. So yeah, in the meantime, here's from the other day, and let's see if we can knock out this field.
The blue truck in the field right now. We just started doing double trucking, so my dad's in the red one unloading. We got cousin up here trucking, and we got my other cousin in the grain cart. So we go down back to the barn and see what he's doing. And my dad's over there finishing up unloading. So there he is, Mike P7810.
old Red out because I was falling behind with just the one truck. So we had some Amish neighbors that wanted to come out and go hunting, so I got stuck talking to them for a little bit, got behind, but that's all right. We have, this field is all done. So I'm gonna take this truck back to the blower, park it, come back out, grab old Red. That's got a partial load on it. Go back, bring that back, and then come out and grab the grain cart. And we are set with this field. Another one in the books. We have a test plot, a Pioneer test plot my dad did because he's a Pioneer salesman. So I think he's got 6 different varieties in there. Anyway, I think I did I know I did a short on that. So I think it's either gonna be before this video, you might have already seen it. If not, it's coming up, one or the other. I can't remember how the order's gonna go. But anyway, test plot's all done, so we got one more field to go, and we are all done with harvest for the year. So good to be done. Good to be a step closer being done. Then I can get the disc on, and as long as weather permitting, I can get out here and knock some of these stalks down. But anyway, time to get back to the barn. Thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.